Welcome to Lingua Latina Tutorials with Mr. K, Pensvm D. This video explains the new grammar and syntax found in Chapter 35 of the LLPSI series. It is meant to accompany the Latine Disco text available from Focus Bookstore and the Pensvm D worksheets available from 50%latin.blogspot.com or christianlanguage.com. Let's get into the text. There are not that many new grammar features in Chapter 35. This is a review of all the grammar that you've been learning throughout Lingua Latina. And line 18, we have, we'll start here with masculinum ut hic magister, femininum ut haec musa, neutrum ut hoc scamnum commune ut hic et haec sacerdos. So we have masculine, so it's asking what are the genders, how many genders are there for the nouns, and there are 4, and what are they? There's masculine, like this teacher, feminine, like this muse, neuter, like this stool, and common, like this and this priest, hic et haec sacerdos. Notice that there's a gender here we don't normally talk about, but in Donatus's grammar, common gender means that it could be masculine or feminine, like sacerdos. Sacerdos could be masculine priest or feminine priest. The next new feature in line 27. So here we have, the question is, casus nominum quot sunt. So how many cases are there of nouns? How many noun cases are there? There are 6. Question, qui, what are they? Nominativus, genitivus, dativus, accusativus, vocativus, ablativus. So here's the answer to the cases. There's a nominative, genitive, dative, accusative, vocative, and ablative. Notice that all of these words are adjectives. They're adjectives modifying the word casus, which is a masculine noun, case. So when you say nominative, or it is nominative, or it is genitive, or you mean, you're implying casus after it. So nominativus, casus nominativus, nominative case, casus genitivus, genitive case, etc. In line 33, in response to the question, what are the how many degrees of comparison are there? We have 3. Now what are they? The answer, positivus ut doctus, comparativus ut doctior, superlativus ut doctissimus. So there's the positive like doctus, there's comparative like doctior, and there's superlative like doctissimus. So what is the, according to Donatus, adjectives and nouns are both found in the same category, because we're in the category of the cases of nouns, in the same category. So adjectives and nouns in early Latin grammar were the same. And the definition was that they had case, and they declined. So adjective nouns and substantive nouns, we separate, obviously, but just know that in this grammar, they're not separated. And in line 42, we have genera pronominum quae sunt. So what are the genders of pronouns? Genera comes from genus, which means a kind or a sort. So what are the kinds of pronouns in the context of a pronoun or a noun? It's gender. And when we look at verbs, genera it means the voice. So know that this is a neuter noun, genus generis, and if we were going to decline genus generis, it's going to it's a third declension neuter, so it would decline like genus genus, nominative and accusative, then generis, generi genere, and the plural genera genera, generum generibus generibus. So that is it for Chapter 35. Those are all the new features mentioned in Latine Disco. Thanks for listening.